What does a place for all people mean to you?
A place for all people to me means a place where all people regardless of race, religion, gender, beliefs, everyone lives with equal rights and respect.
Ethan Rowley, what does a place for all mean to you?
It means everyone should be treated equally and fair.
What does a place for all people mean to you?
A place for all people means to me a place where everyone can feel valued, respected, and have their voices heard.
Vinny Seaver, what does a place for all mean to you?
That everyone should be friends.
What does a place for all people mean to you?
I would say it means unity and love and a place where you can go and feel safe and just be yourself with friends and family and just have a great time. It'd be wonderful.
Mateo Santia, what does a place for all mean to you?
Where everyone deserves a fair chance.
Joey Damaris, what does a place for all mean to you?
It means it is a place where everyone is treated fairly and equally.
Good morning, Lakeland.
I'm Jack Casper,
And I'm Zach Nelson.
and we will be your anchors for today.
Today's National Classy Day, so don't forget to stay classy, Lakeland.
National Honor Society is now offering after-school tutoring from 2:15 to 3 o'clock in Mr. Perry's Computer Science Room, A402, every Monday.
The theater department is proud to announce the spring musical entitled All Shook Up. It is full of Elvis Presley hit songs and sure to be fun. Today is the last day for auditions. Look for more information regarding auditions on the theater Google Classroom. No prior experience is necessary and all are welcome. Hope to see you there.
The Mr. Lakeland pageant is coming up soon. The event will be held on February 12th in the CPA. Make sure you check your HVS email for more information. This event is sponsored by the Lakeland PTSA.
Do you make videos of yourself or your friends for fun? Want to see them on GML and show your work off to the world? Contact Mr. Orlando and you might get to see your videos on GML.
Oakland County is looking for the County Teacher of the Year. If you are interested in nominating your favorite Lakeland teacher, visit the article link on the LHS website at hvs.org/LHS. Nominations are due in early February. Thank you.
Students, this Monday in your HVS email, you'll get an email for the final vote to name the Lakeland Eagle. Please complete the Google form in the email and make sure your voice is heard.
As a note about Monday, there is no school this coming Monday, January 20th, due to MLK holiday. We hope that you'll participate in some of the local MLK Day activities going on this weekend, like the March on Main this Sunday, or the meal prep event at the Shack in Milford on Monday. Thank you. Remember to make Monday not just a day off, but a day service.
Don't forget that final exams are next week. Exams are first and fourth hours on Wednesday, the 22nd, second and fifth hours on the 23rd, and third and sixth hours on the 24th. Each day will be a half day with a release time of 10:30 a.m. Good luck on your final exams, Lakeland. You got this.
And now for sports. The girls varsity team lost a close game to South Lyon on Tuesday night by the score of 34-31. The team was led by Auburn Miller with 11 points and Bryn Tolorcio with 7 points on the night.
The boys varsity team defeated South Lyon by the score of 45-37. Seacon Houston led the way with a double-double of 20 points and 20 rebounds on the night.
Both teams are away tonight at Milford High School to take on the Mavericks in basketball showcase action. The girls team plays at 5:30 and the boys team plays at 7. Come on out and join the Blue Crew tonight to cheer on our Eagles. Good luck to both teams.
The freshman boys basketball team has put together a few good wins recently at the Walled Lake Northern last week by the score of 50-37. Ethan Canterbury led the way with 16 points on the night.
The team also defeated South Lyon on Tuesday night. Bo Bajoli led the way with 18 points overall. Good job, freshman boys.
The boys JV team lost a tough one to South Lyon on Tuesday by the score of 55-38. The team was led by the greatest Mateo Santillo with 7 points. Brock Snell and Max Moser each had 6 points on the night.
Both teams, along with the JV's girl teams, traveled to Milford tonight to take on the Mavericks. Good luck.
The varsity and JV girls bowling teams defeated Milford last week. The varsity team won by the score of 29-1 and the JV team won by the score of 26-4. Madison Reed rolled at 2:21 to lead our Eagles. Good job.
The boys varsity bowling team defeated Milford last week by the score of 27.5 to 2.5. Marcus "The Go" Evans rolled a 5:04 series in the meet, and Kevin Scarpelli posted a 2:33 high game. Great job.
The hockey team mercied Milford 9-1 on Wednesday in the Huron Valley Showdown. The next game is the annual cancer game against the Walled Lake Whitecaps at Lakeland Ice Arena at 6 p.m.
Remember that you can find all your latest athletic information on the Lakeland's athletic Facebook page and on X. You can watch many of the games live online through the NFHS network.
Don't forget, we always post our episodes of Good Morning Lakeland on the Lakeland website and YouTube. You could also look for links on the Good Morning Lakeland Instagram at LHS_GML.
Remember to check out the Lakeland Podcast, the podcast that brings you all the best that Lakeland has to offer. You can look for the Lakeland High School Podcast on Spotify, Amazon, and in your email each week. Just say, "Alexa, play the Lakeland High School Podcast." This week's episode is our annual semester review podcast. It's out now.
Well, it's time for anchor shoutouts. First up is me. I'd like to shout out Mr. Orlando and Lydia for making advanced videos so fun.
And I would like to shout out all of our GML crew just for putting together GML every week. Thanks, guys.
Well, this is the last episode of the first semester. We want to thank everyone for watching the show this semester. We'll be back with some new hosts and guests starting Friday, February 6th. See you then. Thank you for watching Good Morning Lakeland. Have a great day.